Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change a language quickly in Google Analytics. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Google Analytics, I need you to click the Create an Account option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, changing the language in Google Analytics quickly can be necessary for a lot of reasons, especially when you need to ensure efficient communication and understanding of data across users and teams. And one of the most important thing about changing the language here is basically, now for example, in multinational companies or teams where members speak different languages, switching the interface language to preferred language enhances communication and understanding of analytics data. When presenting analytics reports to clients or stakeholders who speak a different language, using their language increases clarity and ensures they grasp the insights effectively. Now, I always change the language during training sessions or when onboarding new team members here in my account, because setting Google Analytics to their native language helps them understand the platform faster and encourages quicker adoption. Now, for you to be able to do that, I need you to hover to where it says admin on the bottom left corner of the gear icon, and you should be able to go to the My Preferences right here. Now I want you to click on it, and what will happen is, as you can see, this is where you change the language here on Google Analytics. Now I'm using, of course, English United States, but of course you can choose the native language that you wanted to use from here. But remember that some users have a personal preferences for working in a specific language due to familiarity or comfort, which can improve their productivity and ease of use with the tool. In diverse organizations, respecting cultural diversity by offering analytics reports and insight in multiple languages can enhance inclusivity and engagement among team members. Now, I always do when collaborating with my partners or my teams from different regions, having the ability to switch languages facilitates smoother communication and cooperation, and of course the access to usability. All I have to do is go just here and click on your preferred language. Now you see there's a default date range. You can choose that from 7 days, 14 days, 28 days, and 30 days. That means whatever settings that you have in here will revert back after how many days you have set here on the default date range. And all I'm gonna do is click on Save Changes, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.